Hello everyone, I want to show you how to install Electronic Workbench. Let's go! Electronics Workbench helps students to learn about circuits. Find the PC, find the downloads, find the Electronic Workbench, find the folder of Workbench, setup, click next, click next, click next again, and finish. This is the example of electronics workbench. Also here. In here, the electronics workbench. This is a very useful for computer engineering about electronics. Thank you for watching. Peace.